Can we 3D print scale down models? Yes, yes, we can. This house actually is a real house out in the real world, much larger than this. But we are actually really proficient at doing 3D printed models that have been scaled down. There are a few little key things in there, though, that I will be sure to post in this video here. But basically, what you need to keep in mind is you do need a 3D CAD drawing still, ideally in the form of an S as in Sam, T as in Tom, L as in Larry, an STL file. But the biggest thing to keep in mind is when you're taking a very large component and making it this size, that there's going to be a lot of detail that isn't going to be printing. And that detail takes up a lot of memory inside of your CAD file. So what you want to do is strip your CAD file of all of those pieces of information, anything inside that may not be visible when you 3D print it, because it's going to keep on building it inside whether it's visible or not. So you might as well strip away all of those details and then take a good look at your CAD file once you've sized it down, just to see what you have missed and what will be printing. And if you have any questions, let me know.